Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a PayPal button widget to Blogger step by step. If you want to start accepting payments or donations directly from your blog, this tutorial will help you set it up easily. On your Blogger dashboard, we will add a widget so we can accept payments on your blog. For example, if you have a new post and you want to add this widget, all you need to do is go back and click on Layout. Once you're in the Layout section, you just need to add a gadget so we can place the widget, and then select the link list option. From here, you just have to type a name, for example, PayPal payment, and set how many items you want to display. Then, in the link list, add your details. Type PayPal as the label, and for the link, paste your PayPal link. To get your PayPal link, simply go to PayPal and log into your account. If you are already logged in, all you need to do is copy your link, go to the site URL field, and paste your link. After that, click Save, and then Save again. As you can see, the widget is now ready. We can start using it on our blog right away. We can place it anywhere on the blog, depending on where we want it to appear and how we want it to look. This will help us integrate the PayPal button into our Blogger website, so visitors can quickly make payments, support our content, or purchase products. We can do this by generating the PayPal button code and embedding it into the blog simply and correctly.